Wow, look at all that loveliness. You guys know what this is, don't you? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so this is my Hobby Lobby yarn haul. So what happened was I had gone to Hobby Lobby the other day, and as you know, there wasn't a single thing there on sale, not a single thing. And so I thought, okay, I missed it. Sorry, I thought, okay, I missed it. That's just the way it is. I'll be fine. And then yesterday, I had to go to the other part of town, and so I thought, I'm going to just pop into the other Hobby Lobby and see what's going on. I went in there, and it was not like my Hobby Lobby with all the empty shelves and everything. And the lady was literally standing there marking down things right there that minute. I got so excited. I couldn't stand it. But still, there wasn't a lot of stuff marked down. And so I went through the shelves and I was grabbing a few things. And then I went down and around the corner, and there was a whole nother section that they had already marked down that I don't think people realized because it hadn't been hit at all. So I was able to get quite a few things. And then when I came back, she was back marking things down again. But that time she was marking down weird stuff, you know, the big furry stuff and the loops and, you know, all this novelty stuff. She was working on the novelty stuff, which I did not have any real interest in. And she said the other lady's going to be back from lunch and she's going to start knocking down the other things again. And at that point, I felt like I had enough, even though I really wanted to get the I Love This Cotton. I couldn't wait for half an hour for the lady to come back from lunch. So I could have got a lot more. So this is my plan for this video. I'm going to take all this beautiful yarn and spread it out on the table, and let's see what we have. Okay, so I'm going to pause you, and when I get back, it's all going to be laid out on the table. See you in a few minutes. Okay, I emptied all the bags and they're all laid out on the table. You ready? Here we go. There we go. This is everything all laid out. It actually doesn't look as bad as I thought it was going to. I was a little bit scared when I was at the store and they started filling all the bags up. I was a little scared, let me tell you. But it's not horrible. Okay, it's horrible, but I still love it. Okay, if I can back up here without falling over. There, what do you think? That looks pretty good. That is a nice assortment of stuff. And gotta remember, pricing. $137, regular $5.49. $112, regular $3.99. $137, regular $5.49. And these guys, I know everybody loves these guys. $174, regular $6.99. The sugar wheel. Oh, what is this? $137, regular $5.49. The sugar wheel. I've never seen this before. Look at this great big thing. Great big sugar wheel. $1.99, regular $7.99. This thing is 355 yards. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at those colors. I thought the sugar wheels were all cotton, but apparently these ones are not. Sugar wheel from the garden is called, and these are 100% acrylic. So 199 grams, so 200 grams, 355 yards. And this is a 4-weight. When I saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, that's going to be beautiful in a Darla sweater. That's what I thought when I grabbed this. And then there was a little bit of ice cream yarn, which I've never ever tried before and always wanted to. $149, regular $5.99. There is Reclaim, never heard of it. 212, regular $8.49. And it's acrylic and polyester. This is a 6-weight. I'm thinking a big old chunky blanket for that. This is my prize, though. This is the one I'm most proud of, most excited about. Look at that. Pima Suprema. 100% Pima cotton. I would have bought 1,000 of these if they had them. $149, regular $5.99. Okay, so my original plan was to give you, just like when we do an unboxing, we look at our yarn, we look at the yardage, we look at what it's made out of, where it came from, all the things. But there's just too much here to do that with. Too much. So I'm going to do a series, I guess. I'm going to do a series. 62 cents for this. This is literally the only bloom that was there. A lady was in front of me and she got a whole basket full and she left this one. And I'm like, hey, you forgot one. And she goes, oh no, that color doesn't match anything I have. So she left it. So I grabbed it. I figured one, I could probably do a hat. And I actually think I have some in that color already. Wildflower. $4.49. I got it for $1.12. So there was a couple things where I didn't get very many of. And even though it looks like it, I did not empty the shelves. Not even close. If there was a color, as a for instance, this guy, I took everyone they had in that color. I took all of this color. But I didn't take everything off the shelves. I left a lot because there was colors I didn't want. There was colors where there was only one or two of, for the most part. Other than that bloom, I figured I can do something with that. And I have a hard time doing anything with one or two skeins. So I did not feel like that was a good thing to do. Just take something with one or two. Unless I thought I could mix it with something else. Then I did. Actually, I don't think there's very many here where there's only one or two colors. Even like something like this where I know I can do something with it and these colors all look great together. There was lots of colors there that I left. So, yeah. Got all of this. All of this. So I think what I'll do is go through them a little bit at a time, make a few separate videos, and then you can watch and get the count that way. Okay? So for now, toodaloo. Hope you have good luck at your Hobby Lobby. I'm done. I'm not going back. I'm sure they've got more stuff on sale. They did not have any Hanks on sale. Because I did go looking for those, but there was none. Somebody had already cleaned them all out. And I think that's what's going on is, people are literally standing there while they're marking stuff down. Because that's basically what I did for some of this stuff. And then I got lucky with the one row that I don't think anybody knew about. So we're going to call it for this video so it doesn't get too long. And then I'll do one or two other videos where we go through the yarn, see how many we have, look at, like we always do with the yarn. And then I'll get you a total number of skeins and what I paid and what the value was. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. I hope you please like and please subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.